Welcome to my local reviews for the reviews hardcore. Today's review is over the new Burger King Cheeto chicken fries. Well, there's that. Alright, here we go, Burger King Cheetos chicken fries. Here's what they look like. They look just like a regular chicken fry. And here we go. I do not taste Cheeto whatsoever. Tastes like a regular chicken fry to me. I honestly do not taste Cheetos at all. Tastes like regular chicken fries. I don't know the big deal. I got 2 orders. Maybe they messed that one up. Let me try this one. I don't know. I have no clue. I do not taste anything Cheeto whatsoever about this. It just comes in a little box that looks like this. Tastes like regular chicken fries. So, even though the chicken fries taste really good, it's really stupid, Burger King. I don't understand it. I'd rather you bring back the Halloween Whopper so my poop can be green. Anyway, that's it for today. Remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore. Yeah.